We traded in the traditional life to enjoy life on the road with the kids because you only live
Bye,
once.
home.
Join us on our adventures. Well, it's almost the end of January, and we're still down here in Florida. Weather's been okay, a little chilly, but overall the sun's out, and we're making the best of it. We have about another 3 more months to go until our rig's gonna be ready in Indiana, and during this time we've been trying to take advantage of getting the kids into other activities such as learning how to swim and jiu-jitsu, and we took a couple videos to show how that's been progressing, and they've been having a lot of fun. The jiu-jitsu studio in Newport Richey, NPR studio, highly recommend. Professor Andrew is very good at working with the kids as young as 3 up until teenage years. Really good. They have an awesome homeschooling program 2 days a week. So we're very fortunate to have found this studio. We're looking forward to the new rig. It's going to be a brand new custom built Newmar, and we look forward to sharing that adventure with everybody. We plan on leaving Florida and heading north up to Indiana, and we're going to start a spring-summer trip. And we'll share some of the planning and what's entailed with that in the next couple weeks. We use RV Trip Wizard, and that's been a lot of help. We prefer using RV Trip Wizard because it integrates a lot of the Harvest Host locations, which we use probably just more than half, maybe 60 or 70% of our stays, in addition to campgrounds. So we're able to plug in those locations along our route and have everything in one map. We have the kids going for jiu-jitsu roughly 3 days a week, 5 hours in total, and it's really up to them if they want to do any more or any less, but so far they've been doing excellent. I've noticed a huge improvement in their skills. They're getting stronger, they're getting faster, they're getting smarter, and it's a good way for them to interact with other kids and meet other kids. And
where are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera. What do you guys think about jiu-jitsu?
It was great.
Yeah? What do you think, Errol? What do you think about jiu-jitsu?
Great!